All right, we are live. So welcome, Janice, to Five Questions. Janice is another fellow Canadian just outside of Toronto, and we're going to have some fun. All set?
Sounds good.
You got
Absolutely.
good. You got your five questions lined up?
I do. Yes.
Awesome. So what's your most pressing question? What do you want to start with?
The first one with the thought of allowing the universe to manifest what it is that you'd like, right? So when you send it out to the universe, there's a part of kind of trusting and how it is going to bring it to you. I have a little bit of, I guess, a wobble on it. Worried about that if it's going to come to me in a way that might harm somebody, or in a way that, like, say for example, I manifest the exact amount of money that I want, but it came as an inheritance because I lost someone I love.
Right,
Or like,
right,
right, my dream job, but my best friend got fired, and that's how I got my dream job. Like,
right.
how do,
So
how do
it's
you handle
really what you're asking is, do you need to worry about the fear of consequences of a manifestation, maybe either for yourself or for somebody else?
that? Mostly for somebody else. I think for me, if it was me, it's okay, but I do worry about it coming. I get what I want because somebody else has to hurt for it.
Yeah, yeah. So there's actually quite an easy answer to this. So, and I'm sure you're going to love the answer. So, as Abraham Hicks says, we live in an attraction-based reality. There is no assertion. So, literally, what that means is you cannot experience something that is not a vibrational match to you.
Mhm.
So it doesn't matter what you manifest. If somebody is not a vibrational match to a negative consequence to your manifestation, they can't experience it. So let's say you've got a friend, I don't know, let's call her Michelle, and
Mhm.
Michelle's got her own vibration going on. And let's say Michelle is a vibrational match to, I don't know, breaking her pinky toe.
Mhm.
Okay. If she's a vibrational match to that circumstance, she has to experience it, because law of attraction is a law like gravity. If you're a vibrational match to something, you must experience it. That's how it works. You tune into that channel, it'll happen. So if she's a
Okay.
vibrational match
Oops.
to having her pinky toe broken, then she's going to experience it. If she's not a
Mhm.
vibrational match to having her pinky toe broken, then she's not going to experience it. So the actions you take, the vibration you put out, what you do or don't manifest is inconsequential to her, because everything she's going to experience is a match to her vibration and her vibration alone.
Okay.
Does that make sense? Does that answer your question?
I guess it does. Like, in the sense you're saying that regardless of what's kind of happening around me, that person has already attracted it to themselves.
Yeah. So let's say you do manifest money through the passing of a relative.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So that relative was simply allowing themselves to be a cooperative component to your experience. So here in physical reality, there's 7 billion people on the planet, right? And all 7 billion people, each person has their own individual vibration. And their own individual vibration is what creates their own experience. And the way I see it is source is kind of like, you know, being source, managing everything that's going on with those vibrations. So they're like, oh, Nick's a vibrational
Mm-hmm.
match to breaking his pinky toe, and Janice is a vibrational match to helping somebody who has a broken pinky toe. Then we're going to line them up so that they're cooperative components to each other's experiences.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Okay. Yeah, I think it makes sense. Yes. Yeah. Because
Yeah.
so it's more of like both of us in a sense aligning, and because and it matching up,
Yes.
right? It's something
It's
like that. Yeah.
it's you matching up with an experience, somebody else matching up with an experience, and if some ways those experiences are meant to blend together for that physical reality manifestation, then source blends them together. So in other words, all of that to say that you cannot assert anything onto somebody else.
Okay. Okay, no, I understand that now. I
Makes
get that.
sense?
I feel like, yeah, I feel a lot better actually about that.
Good.
About like, because I'd always felt like it was a little iffy about I'm okay to trust the universe and I'm good for it coming in,
Yeah.
right? Bring it to me however you want. But then there was a part of me like saying, okay, well, just don't bring it in this way, and then don't bring it in that, And I knew that that's also blocking, right?
Yeah.
Because that means I'm not trusting the
And remember
universe.
too, your inner being is unconditionally loving, not only for you, but for everybody. And
Hmm.
everybody's inner beings are unconditionally loving towards everybody. So our inner beings are always um, guiding us, leading us down that path of least resistance. That's
Hmm.
going to be the greatest, most best outcome for all of us. And that's what we experience to the level that we let that greatness in.
Oh, very nice. Good, good.
Awesome. Cool.
Uh,
That
uh,
was a good first question. What do you got next time?